the Acholi Hall of Fame Member of Parliament, Honorable Gilbert Olanya, who is the Member of Parliament of Kilak South, raised an issue of national matter to the Parliament about the death of the DVO of Amuru district. The DVO death has caused controversies and rising concerns across social media and in the communities of Acholi people. These has come amidst the raising concern that it could be it is backed by revenge by Balaalo people, because this also happened in the process of the Balaalo eviction as reported by the authorities. According to the DPC, the late died when he was mistakenly shot by a security official. But again, according to the father, he said the late did not die due to bullet. He said doctor did a post-mortem test and the doctor came up with the result that there was no bullet or sign of bullet wounds in the body of the DVO.
Right, our Speaker, since this is my first time to speak this year, I would like to say Happy New Year to my colleagues and to you, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, I raise on a matter of national importance concerning the killing of Dr. Ochara Samuel, the District Veterinary Officer of Amuru District Local Government. Right Honorable Speaker, the killing of Dr. Ochara took place on the 25th of January 2024 at 2 a.m. Right Honorable Speaker, Dr. Ochara was in the company of the DPC of Amuru, the Deputy DSO of Amuru, and the RDC of Amuru District Local Government. And they were moving late night on claims that they were implementing the presidential directives of evicting the Balaalo from Amuru district. Right Honorable Speaker, late at that time, the DPC of Amuru and the Deputy DSO and RDC informed the community that Dr. Ochara was shot dead at that late hour by one Kopolo Akeo Francis. Right Honorable Speaker, the death of our DVO shocked everyone in Acholi sub-region. Right now, we do not know exactly what happened at that late hours at 2 a.m. in the morning. Yet Dr. Ochara was called right from his home. He was picked from his home by the DPC and the Deputy DSO of Amuru. Right Honorable Speaker, the issues of Balaalo in our area is quite serious. Our prayers is that one, investigation should be done thoroughly on the DPC of Amuru, the Deputy DSO of Amuru, and the RDC of Amuru on the circumstances surrounding the death of Dr. Ochara, the District Veterinary Officer of our district. And two, Kopolo Akeo Francis, who is claimed to have caused the death of Dr. He should also be properly investigated. Further, Honorable Speaker, according to the father said the post-mortem report indicates that there were no bullets shot at Dr. Ochara. What the doctor told the father, that there's scars, there's some big wound on the body, but no bullet was seen. Therefore, we are thinking that something might have happened to the DVO of Amuru. Right Honorable Speaker, I pray that the minister concerned take serious steps on this matter, and we really request for the report as fast as possible to console the family. I beg to move.
Thank you. Sorry about that, Honorable Gilbert. Right, Honorable Prime Minister? Though we must take caution that this is a criminal matter. Like the way you've said, investigations should be done thoroughly. Indeed, they should. But the issue of linking up with the community so that it doesn't spread is a very, very important issue. Beyond the criminal investigations and all that, there is community engagement on such issues. Otherwise, some people might think because of issues of Balaalo, now they've started killing and it spreads beyond. But right, Honourable Prime Minister?
Right, Honourable Speaker. I'm really sorry for what happened to our DVO because we got that information that as they were moving in the car where he was seated in front, that this person, I think that the couple had left the bullets in the chamber, and then a bullet got out of the chamber into the leg of that person, that man, who is a couple, the owner of the gun, and went into the cabin where the DVO was seated.
Right, Honorable, can we
yes.
not go?
No, I'm just saying that because we are very sorry. I just wanted to say something.
A Hansard is an official public record.
Yes.
So we have to
so what I wanted to say is that we are very sorry about that, and that is a story that we had, but the investigations have to be thoroughly done to know exactly what happened, and a report will be given to this Parliament. I thank you.
Thank you. No, Parliament does not receive such reports. They are not ours. These are reports for the DPP and all that. Yeah? But what is very important from what I got, engaging the community. For example, with preliminary information, cool tensions, you would engage readers from the area MP and all that, and you manage the community on such matters. So I request, Right Honourable, arrange with the Minister for Internal Affairs. Tomorrow you meet with these MPs, because I can see they need to tell something to their people on the ground. Okay?
Honourable colleagues, members of Parliament, tomorrow we shall have a meeting in my office, that is third floor, so with the Minister of Internal Affairs.
Time?
At 10.
Thank you.
As you could see behind Gilbert, some members of Parliament were smiling, at least two of them, as he was presenting. I encountered the late DVO when I was in Angago district. He came when he was doing his master's degree at Bulu University, so he needed a research partner. Being somebody who had recently graduated in agricultural science, he picked me and I worked with him, and working with him was so nice, and our research was successful. That's why you see he was promoted to become a DVO. By that time, he was still agricultural officer working at sub-county level. May the soul of Kuripaliech, may the soul of Acholi, my friend, Uchara, rest in peace.